This is huge news. The University of Arizona confirms that Planet X is orbiting our sun. Scientists at the University of Arizona believe they have spotted the elusive Planet X orbiting the sun in our solar system. Well, now they've recently changed the name to Planet 9 so that people don't get upset and frightened by Planet X. Zecharia Sitchin named it Planet X from his Anunnaki explanation, and others call it Nibiru, others call it Wormwood. So it has various names, but it is the elusive Planet X orbiting the sun in our solar system, according to researchers with the Lunar and Planetary Laboratory. Planet X, in size, is between that of Mars and Earth, and exists just beyond Pluto. The discovery has reignited fears amongst researchers that the mysterious 10th planet could be about to wipe out all life on Earth as it slowly heads towards our planet. Some researchers claim that Planet X, or Nibiru, as it is also referred to, was once home to a race of extraterrestrials who traveled to Earth millions of years ago and interbred with humans. MLive reports. The researchers at the Lunar and Planetary Laboratory believe the planetary mass object to be between Mars and Earth in terms of size. The mass was discovered thanks to its perceived ability to control the orbital planes of space rocks referred to as Kuiper Belt objects. The author of the study, Kat Volk and Renu Malhotra, write, quote, "The most likely explanation for our results is that there is some unseen mass," end quote. This is what Volk, a postdoctoral fellow and the lead author of the study, said in the university's news release. And he adds, "According to our calculations, something as massive as Mars could be needed to cause the warp that we measured," end quote. Before any huffs and puffs that there are currently only 8 planets, astronomers from the California Institute of Technology found evidence for a planet 10 times the size of Earth beyond Pluto in early 2016. 10 times the size of Earth. That possible planet was dubbed Planet 9. So this other unconfirmed planetary mass object could be Planet 10. So there's just not one. The one that's between the size of Mars and Earth, there's also the other one that's 10 times the size of Earth. That's Planet 9. The smaller one, which is just outside Pluto, is Planet 10 heading towards us. Quote, "This object would be different from, as much closer than, the so-called Planet 9, a planet whose existence yet awaits confirmation," a new release from the university reads. For their study, the two authors studied more than 600 objects of the Kuiper Belt in the quest to determine the common direction and tilt of these orbital planes. Space.com points out that while this newly discovered object has yet to be actually discovered, it is much too small and too close to Earth to be hypothetically Planet 9. Planet 9, from early 2016, is said to be 25 times farther away from the Sun than Pluto is, somewhere between 500 and 700 astronomical units from Earth. Volk said in the release, quote, "That is too far away to influence these KBO, Kuiper Belt objects. It certainly has to be much closer than 100 AUs, 100 times the distance between Sun and Earth, to substantially affect the KBOs in that range," end quote. The University of Arizona researchers note that the planetary mass object has not been spotted in the Kuiper Belt yet, but believe that the under construction Large Synoptic Survey Telescope will help find hidden worlds such as this one. This is by Sean Adeltabatabai on your Newswire.